guys, today is rainy day and it totally ruined my plan today because I'm planning to go outside to buy some food, and then I also want to have some outdoor activities, but then yeah, I can do it today. And I think it's kind of good because I miss rain and I feel relaxing right now.
I just need to clear my head.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on.
So as you can see guys, I've stopped on the other place because the rain continues and we cannot continue our outdoor activities if it doesn't stop, because we don't gonna get cold and we don't want to get sick. Yeah, prevention is better than cure. I know a lot of you have been curious about why do I didn't continue to make a vlog this past few weeks. Like what I've said on my intro, I'm kind of like lazy of doing this kind of vlog or like having more vlogs this past few weeks. I don't know why. Maybe it's just because I focus on my priority, which is organizing different organization, both local and international. I've been also participating in different essay competition and other competition like public speaking. Yeah, so it's kind of like I prioritize first something like is related to academic and extracurricular activities. So and also the president or some of the head facilitator, that's what they call that. I don't know, I'm not sure about the title of that person, but yeah, he's the president of the day organization. So he invited me to become the country ambassador again of the Model United Nations. So like I'm so glad because I supposed to join the Model United Nations during January 2019, if I'm not mistaken. That was exactly January 18, but then my flight in US is January 19. So yeah, it's kind of like a very hectic schedule, and then the also a very complicated date. So yeah, I chose to go here at NIU and like set aside my dream to become part of the Moon, which is Model of United Nations held at Bali, Indonesia. One of my dream places is to go at Bali, Indonesia, but then I chose to come here at USA to start my college education. So yeah guys, it's kind of like an update and like some facts that happens to me this past few days, and some facts that have joined also in different organizations. So I hope all of you guys are also being productive during this quarantine period, because I know it's kind of like a difficult thing to do, but then I know you can do it. So after 10,000 years, I'm still here being stranded because the rain isn't stopping at all. So we can do nothing but to stay here or else we're gonna get sick. So yeah, actually I've been doing some shots here, but I feel I'm not contented because you know I love lighting, the light of the sun, but then it doesn't show up today because it's been a rainy day. Yeah, I feel like I'm just saying one word in all this video. So I'm gonna go here for some lights. So yeah guys, I feel like I'm so tired of just sitting here and waiting until the rain will gonna stop. So if I am bored, do you wanna join? So yeah. Hey. So I feel like I almost counted all the tiles here. Hey, hey, hey. just stopped to take a rest for a while. So yeah, I'm gonna continue later. And yeah, the view is kind of beautiful, but not my face. Lol. So look at that, the flowers are blooming, but my face ruin your mood right now. So yeah, actually when the rain is kind of like continuing, I just took up photos, but like now I just wanna, continue my challenge for myself because I feel like it's fulfilling. So yeah, I'm gonna continue and just see you guys later. Love you. I just stopped over there, guys, because the rain continues and then it stopped now. I feel like it's kind of like a crazy day today, but then yeah, I'll have to continue because I feel like I'm not really completed with the 10K challenge and I didn't check it yet, but yeah, I'm pretty sure I didn't finish it yet. So yeah, so basically we're just gonna continue walking, but yeah, if you want to see me going around, then just watch this video. So my face is just the worst face right now because I feel super duper haggard and at the same time I'm too tired. Yeah, the lighting is good here. So yeah, so far I also have to say to you that I have shoot the video which is make me choose between two things, but then I don't know, I don't have the energy to edit it and I feel like it's not perfectly shoot. There are more mistakes in it. Yeah, so I would do it again maybe later or in the evening because this weekend, today's Friday, so this weekend I'm looking forward for having some fun with my friend. Yeah, so we're gonna have some outing or like a picnic whatsoever, whatever you want to call it, but we're gonna hang out. But it's not a party or whatsoever. It's just walking on the riverside cooking in their house. Yes, I do the cooking. So I feel like today I walk around this student center for like twice. Yeah. So we're going ahead on my dorm. It's kind of far. So my left leg is kind of super tired right now. Yeah, I can feel the pain. Really, I can feel the pain. Oof. So you guys, bye for a while. So I'm almost in my dorm, guys, so I'm gonna end up this video. But before anything else, thank you so much to all my subscribers, to all the viewers. Thank you so much for the unconditional supports, and thank you for staying with me during my journey here. So yeah, guys, before you're gonna leave this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And of course, click notification bell below if you want to be, notified of my incoming videos. Love you, mama. Sukran.